Oh. I'm taking this off. I'm not bald! I was trying to dress all comfy, but it's too hot. It's too hot. I'm hungry. It is 12:52. Why am I not in school? None of your business. Now, I exempted all my exams. So I'm not in school. So this house is mine. I really want some cookies, and there's some cookies in this. So I want to make cookies. Where did they go? Wait. You're being lazy today. We're just gonna bake this. We don't got time to make nothing. Coco, I'm sorry. Coco. Pan! I need a pan. So now I'm going to force you to watch me lay them out. I have to move it for a better angle. Where's my scrunchie? I need foil. I found it! I didn't forget to wash my hands. What are you talking about? Preheat 350. Something already in here? That never happened. It's coming out again? No, I will not have it. Ah, I'm falling. Okay, it's so hot in here. I keep complaining that it's hot, but I'm not taking this robe off. You can't make me. Now we're placing the chocolate chip batter toner. You better hurry up and bake because I'm hungry. I want some junk food. Oh, I ripped it. Dang it. What am I gonna do? I ripped this foil I have. That was gonna be ugly. So that's the end of it today. That's all I did. Super easy. Currently waiting for the oven. You don't want to put in baked goods. You don't want to put in baked goods when an oven ain't preheated. All right. So we're waiting. I'm gonna bring my dogs because they're the best thing in the world. This is me, Coco. Coco, look. Look. You stink. You need a bath. I'll put you back on the couch. The heat. It's too much. 11 to 12 minutes. 11 minutes, and then I shall feast. I see bug. I killed it. Ew. I want to drink something. I'm feeling parched. There's no point in recording this, but I honestly just want to record random stuff and edit it. Who gonna stop me? You know, this road might have to go, but it's so hot. It's too hot for this. So I think a demon was trying to leave. Waiting. It says 6 minutes left. I wish we had like more. I could actually bake these. Cause Because I like to bake. You know, it's fun. It's a fun thing to do. I prefer to, you know, mix the ingredients than just, you know, it died at cookies. No, I want to, you know, mix it and mix it and mix it and mix it. I kind of want to make food while I'm waiting for food to be cooked and baked. This quality is probably horrible, and that's because it's off my phone. Because it's easier to record with my phone. So deal with it! I'm sorry, that was aggressive. It's just, it's hot. It's time to be free. I feel better. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, sweat. Hello? It's kind of focused. Oh, my phone's about to die. That's nice. I'll just come back when they're done. I got cold, so I put this back on. I'll fix this. Oh my god. Ew. I keep yawning like I've done something today. I haven't done anything. Like, what am I tired from? Oh my god, can you see? It says 4 seconds. That don't look done. You lied to me! I gotta wait an extra minute. You already know what I'm about to say. It's hot. But I need the robe. I look so grandma-y. Wait. Can't find the pocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mitten. I found the mitten. It's burning the mitten. I did it! I followed simple instructions. My scrunchy fell out. I must show what I did from scratch. I'll get a better shot. Hold up. It's taking too long to cool, so I'm eating one now. That is the best thing I've ever tasted. These is... Yeah, that's it. Yeah, this was just something very random. I'm bored, obviously. My siblings will be home from school soon. So will I be a good sister and save some of these for the rest of my family? We'll see. That noise is Coco. She's growling at me because she wants some. What's she giving me? If you watch this whole thing, why? I'm gonna probably take my 5th nap of the day, so bye.